Yo, what up, guys? This is Johnny Boy, aka Rebel, coming back again. I lost count today as to really how many times I've played for you guys, but that's not the point. I kind of I don't even want to bring up the next one because I feel like that could have been something so magical that it was worthwhile for what it's worth then. So I want to really this time make this out as a almost musical diary of the emotion I'm feeling now and the fight that I got in me, the rebel of who I am, and just represent it all. Just with the sound you hear alone, my skill, and everything involved that I can throw in this to make it describe my emotion and verbalize it just by sound alone. This is Johnny Boy, aka Rebel, coming back at you again. And without further ado, here you go. And I'm gonna just do without drums, so it's just gonna be signaturized and felt. So here we go. So like I said, guys, man, I really don't know where to stop because I'm only me working by myself and trying to keep this open to spill this out as well as share this and get that feedback and everything else. I know I should have ended probably way sooner. But this was a diary and just a way for me to express myself as to what's going on. Man, it is so hard to even go through these because I feel like I'm still suppressed. And, you know, it's still impacting. It's, man, there's just not enough video to explain all this. And there's just not enough words to be able to do it, you know? And, man, I'm never giving up on it, you know? It's the best I can do. So, without further ado, man, I hope you have a great day. This is Johnny Boy, AK Rebel, and, for the, prison shirt, man, I'm gonna give it up. Because, I don't want to ever see that day, and that will never happen because my life's going to always change for the better. And for those that, like I said, that are suffering and doing their time and stuff like that, I got you, man. And I hope that in time you get through that and just overall just become that better person. I know we all are, and we can be. So it's just a matter of choice from that point on as to which way your road's gonna go, man. So, and sometimes, yeah, we do get unlucky, but roll those punches, man, and do for the better. And that's my message. I hope you all take, and from now on and so on. It's Johnny Boy, AK Rebel for life.